Singapore. Singapore, often referred to as the Lion City, is a vibrant and dynamic island nation in Southeast Asia that truly stands as a testament to the marvels of modern urban development. This tiny city-state is a melting pot of cultures, with a rich history influenced by Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Western traditions. Its skyline is an architectural wonder, adorned with futuristic skyscrapers that sparkle against the clear night sky. From the iconic Marina Bay Sands with its rooftop infinity pool to the stunning gardens by the bay, Singapore's urban landscape is a visual delight. Beyond the cityscape, the country offers a blend of tradition and innovation. You can savor delectable street food at hawker centers, explore the bustling streets of Chinatown, and visit historic sites like the colonial-era Raffles Hotel. Singapore is also renowned for its commitment to sustainability and green initiatives, with lush parks and a dedication to ecological preservation. It's a place where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously, making it a destination that truly has something for everyone. Singapore, a tapestry of natural and man-made wonders, exudes beauty at every turn. This enchanting city-state is a treasure trove of diverse landscapes, from lush greenery to architectural marvels. The iconic Supertree of gardens by the bay create a mesmerizing spectacle as they illuminate the night sky, while the serene botanic gardens offer a tranquil escape in the heart of the city. Singapore's pristine beaches, like Sentosa Beach, are a paradise for sunseekers and water sports enthusiasts. Its colorful neighborhoods, from the vibrant streets of Little India to the historic charm of Kampong Glam, showcase the city's cultural richness. But perhaps the crowning jewel is Singapore's commitment to preserving nature within the city, evident in its numerous parks, wildlife reserves, and the jaw-dropping Jewel Changi Airport, an indoor garden paradise with the world's tallest indoor waterfall. Singapore's beauty transcends mere aesthetics. It's a harmonious blend of nature, innovation, and culture that captures the hearts of all who visit. Singapore is a captivating tapestry of diverse neighborhoods and cities within its city. Here are some notable ones. Downtown Core, the heart of Singapore, where you'll find the iconic skyline featuring the Marina Bay Sands, Merlion Park and the Central Business District. It's a hub for finance, commerce, and entertainment. Chinatown, a bustling neighborhood where you can immerse yourself in Chinese culture, explore vibrant streets, visit temples and savor delectable Chinese cuisine at hawker stalls. Kampong Glam, steeped in history. This area is home to the stunning Sultan Mosque and a plethora of Middle Eastern and Malay influences. It's a great place to explore art, culture, and unique boutiques. Orchard Road, shopper's paradise. This upscale shopping district is lined with high-end boutiques, malls, and entertainment options. Sentosa Island, known as Singapore's playground, it offers a mix of attractions and beautiful beaches. You can find Universal Studios, Adventure Cove Water Park, and more here. Jurong, this area houses the famous Jurong Bird Park and the Singapore Science Centre, making it a hub for nature and science enthusiasts. Kampong Glam, steeped in history. This area is home to the stunning Sultan Mosque and a plethora of Middle Eastern and Malay influences. It's a great place to explore art, culture, and unique boutiques. Orchard Road, shopper's paradise. This upscale shopping district is lined with high-end boutiques, malls, and entertainment options. Sentosa Island, known as Singapore's playground, it offers a mix of attractions and beautiful beaches. You can find Universal Studios, Adventure Cove Water Park, and more here. Jurong, this area houses the famous Jurong Bird Park and the Singapore Science Centre, making it a hub for nature and science enthusiasts. Clarke Quay, this riverside quay is the centre of Singapore's nightlife. The colourful buildings light up, and it becomes a hub for dining, bars, and live entertainment. Sentosa Islander, Sentosa transforms into a hub of nightlife activities. Enjoy beach clubs, open-air cinemas, and the stunning crane dance, a nightly light and sound show. Hawker Centres, Singapore's famous hawker centres come alive at night. Savour local delicacies, from Hainanese chicken rice to char kway teow, as the aroma of street food fills the air. Marina Bay Light Show. Witness the Marina Bay Sands Light and Water Show, where lasers, water jets, and music combine to create a captivating performance against the Marina Bay backdrop. Stay tuned with us for more beautiful video on beauty of the world, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching our video.